Hey there, it's Pat from Petals Crafts and More, and today we're going to try and make our own swag. You'll see I've got a roll of evergreen garland that I got from the Walmart, and I am going to see if I can put that thing together and make a swag out of it. Now, I got this idea from watching a YouTube video. You'll see there that I measured 24 inches to start my swag out. I moved my needles out of the way, branches, whatever you want to call them, and I bent it down on itself. Now get that lined out and find a place where you've got some bare wire and bend it again. Now I did 3 loops, but you could have pretty easily done the 4th loop and made it fuller. Once I get to the tip there, I'm just going to separate some branches and cut. And just lay that garland off to the side because you're going to need some more of it. Now I'm going to secure that end to the frame of the wreath there. And to make sure that it protects your door, you want to get it bent around it really, really good with the rough end pointed up. Now we're going to straighten it out. Stretch it out, make sure it's even. And now we're moving all of our branches to the inside part of the wreath. Just take each and every little branch and separate it. If the branch feels a little loose to you, go ahead and twist it on the other branch again, give it a little tie, and then push it down. And you'll see you just getting them all pointed toward the front of the swag. While we're doing that, I want to remind you guys to like and follow our page and look for us on all the other social media sites. We're on Facebook, of course, and Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. So look for us everywhere and like and follow our page. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if anything that we're doing on this page is giving you any form of inspiration. Or if you're learning anything, you may already be inspired and just want to learn something. You may know something that you could teach me. So go ahead and give me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know where you're from. Mostly of my followers at this point are still on my friends list, so I pretty well know where you're from. But spread the love and bring in some new followers from faraway lands. And as you can see there, now we've got it secured down and all of our branches are sticking out. Boy, don't that look pitiful. All those holes and stuff. We're going to fix it. We're going to fix it. You'll see here that I'm going to take a branch from the outer edge and a branch from the center and twist it together a couple of times and then poke it back down in. What we're doing there is giving us some ribs, some backbone, some stability. Just twist it and then poke it back down in there. And I'm stretching it as I go to try to form a shape. Oops, stretched it a little bit too much. We'll just give that an extra twist and it'll be good. But you don't want a long narrow. You kind of want it to have a little bit of meat between them bones there, so that's why I'm stretching it. Once we get it fluffed and stuff, it will look way fuller, and it will have a little stability, just supporting itself with its branches. That's what I love about evergreens like this. It's like a whole thing of twist ties. You just twist them on themselves and they stay. Want to remind you guys too that we have a Etsy shop. It's petalscraftsandmore.etsy.com. And here I'm showing you how to just twist it on itself and push it down in there. And then stretch. Twist. Push. One tie from the center, one tie from the outer end. Twist. Don't draw it to twist it. Just get those tips, twist them, and then push it down in there, and then stretch. And it looks a little bit better. We still got a lot of holes. So what I ended up doing there was I took some more of that garland and I cut it, and as you can see there, I'm putting it crossways and just hooking it up to the wire from the outer edges of it. And you'll see me hook it up there, and then I take a branch and wrap around that once I get it hooked to again protect your door, your wall, your customer's door. And here I am bending it around it really good and tight so I can end up with it coming up on top and not on the bottom. Gotta just twist it good. And then twist around it. And you got it. Make sure to give it a good feel there. Make sure that you don't feel any sharpness on the back. There, I thought that I might did, so I went back to see. But it was good. Now you just got to fluff this thing out. You can fluff and fluff and fluff, or just get everything sticking up. And there we have it. It's a lot fuller this time around. Still a couple of holes, but we're working on that. And there we have it. We just made our own swag. Stay tuned for the design.